guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel Ethereal Edits. If you are new here, press the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, you can check my playlist editing tutorials for the other editing tutorials that I have posted. Now without any further ado, let's get started. I'm making this edit with Madison Beer, so I'm just gonna take a very random picture. So first I'm gonna FX and then I'm gonna do blur and increase the blur to 100. Now I'm going to save that and add a few stickers here. First we'll start with the gold frame. You can just search gold frame and it will come, but it was in my recent, so I'm using it from there. So yeah, now I'm gonna add a shadow. Now I'm gonna add this trending brown heart. If you're in the editing community right now, you must be knowing that this is also very trending right now. Now I'm going to add a map sticker which I haven't used before, so I'll have a hard time searching for that, and you're going to see the process of me searching for it. Map aesthetic. Okay, this, found it. That was quick. I'm becoming less dumber by the day. You should be proud. Now I'm gonna add this map here and add some shadow to it. Now I'm going to add our picture here, like in the frame, obviously. That is why we have made the frame. I'm such a dumbass. This one. Yeah. This, she looks so pretty here. Like, she looks pretty any which ways, but she looks really pretty here. So yeah, I'm gonna add that picture. Now I'm gonna add another picture. I'm gonna add this picture because she looks really nice here too. I'm gonna make a cutout of this picture. So just go to cutout option and person, and it'll automatically cut the person. Yeah. But if your picture is different and you want to adjust it, you can just erase and restore on your own. I'm just gonna do a little bit to make it more, smooth. And that's it, I think. Once you've done the cutout thingy, you're just gonna put it here. Yep. Now you're gonna use a camera sticker. So I'm gonna take a camera sticker. So I'm gonna take the camera sticker. I'm gonna take a different camera because I like this camera better than that camera. Okay, this is dumb, but okay, whatever. So now I'm gonna move this camera sticker a little up. I'm gonna add a picture of Madison. I think this one, because it's the worst one that I have. So I'll just put it somewhere small where it is not visible. That makes sense. Yes, it does make a lot of sense. Your girl is talking sense. You all should be proud. Basically, once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna add flowers in the background because they look pretty. They're so pretty. Yeah. Now I'm going to add this positions thingy here. I'm just gonna search if it's on PicsArt. If it's not, I'll have to get it from somewhere else. Yup, it's here. Yep, it's here. I got so lucky with this. Whatever. I didn't think it would be here. So yeah. There we go. I'm gonna add we have reached our item limit, so I'll have to save it again and do all this again. I'm just gonna save this much and open it again and start with the next part. But again, editing is so much fun. Like, it is fun till you don't have the pressure to post. If you have a pressure to post, it's no longer fun. Yeah. Now I'm gonna add pictures. One this and one of her eyes, so where her eyes look really pretty. Just her eyes, like, I'm gonna reuse that picture. I'm not wasting such a good picture just for a background. Like, it's really nice. So yeah. Ooh, she looks so pretty. I say she's so beautiful, little goddess. Okay, I will have to erase this thing as it so turns out. Ignore the background noise. Children are playing in my society. I live on the ground floor. Just ignore. If you can hear it, ignore. If you can't hear it, yay. Okay, now I'm done with this. Okay, so we are done with the eyes portion. Now, so I'm gonna add this thing. Just search for computer aesthetic and you'll find this thing somewhere or the other. And add a shadow again. Oh, I forgot to add a shadow to the positions frame. I'm so sorry. You'll have to do that again. I'm gonna add a shadow to the positions frame because I'm dumb and I didn't add that before. Now I'm going to add a picture of her again. So I think I'll take this. Okay. Now we're gonna add this sticker. Just search for paper aesthetic and you'll find this. So yeah. Once I'm done with this paper texture, I'm going to add this Motorola sticker. Just search for phone aesthetic and you'll find it. I'm just gonna add it here, and I'm gonna add a photo inside that. I'm gonna add this photo. She literally doesn't even look real. What is with this? Like Madison looks so good while doing her makeup. I rarely do makeup because it makes me look like a clown, and whenever I do makeup I look like a ghost in between two products, and she looks stunning. Like, it's not even funny. First I'm gonna add a picture in circle shape. Add this picture in circle shape crop to circle, and I'm gonna increase the area, and I'm just gonna do this, and I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna add this here and add a shadow to it. Now I'm just gonna add my volume sticker volume here. Okay, we are gonna reach our item limit now. I'm gonna add a shadow to that as well. Every time I say now I'm gonna, you say hey. I swear you'll be saying hey for the next 10 minutes. Yeah, that was lame, I know. Now once we're done with this, I'm gonna save the edit again. Editing is tiring, bro. Anyway, now I'm gonna open that photo again. Okay, this looks good. I'm actually making a fancy tutorial for you guys. Like, no editor. I swear to God, no editor will teach you how to make such difficult edits because they don't want their secrets out. But like, why does it have to be a secret, you know? Okay, ignore that. Now I'm gonna save this. Now my whole thing didn't get covered. Oh, fuck this shit. Okay, now I'm gonna add a shadow to that, but my whole thing didn't get covered because Madison is very lean, like, and that was a sideways picture. Just ignore I said that. So I'm gonna take this mirror here because it's the new trendy aesthetic. Might have said that 1,000 times as well. I'm gonna add a kind of like a shadow. Now I'm gonna add a picture, which I had to add a picture, but I added a sticker. I was going to add a sticker, but I didn't do that. But okay. Now I'm gonna erase the outside edges. No, but like seriously, no editor will teach you the complex edits. They'll teach you basics, and then they'll go like, yeah, the rest is actually your own journey that you have to carry on and figure out on your own. Like, they'll just never tell you. So yeah, I'm gonna add some sticker here. So I'm gonna probably add this one because it looks aesthetic. Okay, you get the point, you know. This one, and then I'll add some other sticker along with it so that it doesn't look plain. I'm gonna add Nirvana, even though, you know, it makes no sense to add this sticker here. We're just gonna add it for aesthetic sake. Okay, weird. Now I'm gonna add a little flower moment here. I think we should do a little flower moments. Yep, let's do little flowers here. Yes, here we go, bravo. Okay, now I'm gonna cover this empty space that we had here, like this place. What we'll do is we'll add a music sticker or a barcode there, but since we already have a paper sticker there, we won't go with the same texture. I was thinking we'd add this, but we won't because there's already a paper there, so we need something smooth. So I'm gonna go with this music thing, you know. That's how systematic you should be. Okay, we're gonna add this music sticker here. It's already been 15 minutes. What did I even do in this tutorial? Like, I've done nothing, and IBIS paint stuff is still left, but that's optional, so if you want you can do it. So yeah. Okay, now this edit is done. Wow, that was quick. Okay, now I'm gonna save this edit which I already have done, and I'm gonna put this into Remini. This tutorial is 16 minutes long. Can you believe it? Literally, how? Okay, so I'm done clarifying it. Once it is done saving, we're going to go and apply a polar filter like this. It's so pretty. So yeah. Oh, also I forgot to tell you guys this, but I was going to start editing the recording that I just did, but I forgot to tell you guys this, but I moved my accounts from Miley's Muffin to Charlie's Bubble Bath, so you can go follow my new account. Also, when you recreate these edits that I'm like teaching you how to make, because I didn't exactly copy the edit, I took inspiration from, because this was the edit that I took inspiration from, but I didn't exactly copy it because I don't like this pink and white style that a lot of editors do. No shade, but I don't like it. It's just a personal choice. Like I don't find it very aesthetic or whatever. So I didn't recreate it exactly like that. I changed it a bit to my version. So if you recreate this edit like how I have done it, then use the hashtag Charlie's Bubble Bath so I can see those edits whenever you post them. So yeah, I'll see you very soon next time. Bye.